I got two things from Muji, sun beige tank top and a pair of white pants. These have pockets and I love the material, it's very summery. So I wanted to show you different types of outfits by mixing or matching these pieces. And I will show you different styles and combinations to create clean girl looks by using these versatile basics. So on the first outfit, I paired the sun beige tank with the pair of white pants with an ivory JW bag with white mules and some gold accessories. I love these shades on ASOS. If I can find it, I will link it down below. On the second outfit, I paired the sun tank with the ivory color skirt, satin skirt. And I chose a pair of sneakers for a casual day. I always prefer to have some essence of elegance, so I chose the white handbag from Marshberries. I also like picking pieces that I can make the most of what I already have. I like embracing a minimal approach. The pants also go well with the simple t-shirt and a wooden handbag, which is more summery. Also, I like wearing comfortable linen or cotton materials. I got a new hat from Muji. There will be a family gathering next Saturday, so I will clean all the windows and I will cut some grasses outside in our garden. And yes, yeah, let's come with me. I am protected from the sun. So pretty. It's so hot. It is really hot. These are already dried, so I'm gonna change these to new ones. These are new. But I love the purple color. These are also new ones. This week's flower. I used the different types of hydrangeas this week. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog.